Meatloaf. It is a classic for a reason. This recipe is easy. This recipe makes a juicy meatloaf. The meatloaf has lots of flavor. Your whole family will love it. Meatloaf is great for a weeknight meal. You can also serve it for a special occasion. Leftovers are great the next day. It is a versatile dish. You will need ground beef for this recipe. Ground chuck is a good choice. It makes a juicy meatloaf. You will also need breadcrumbs. They help to bind the meatloaf. Milk is added to the breadcrumbs. This helps to keep the meatloaf moist. Eggs also help to bind the meatloaf. They add richness. First, preheat your oven. Set it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, get out a large bowl. Add the ground beef. Add the breadcrumbs, milk, and egg. Next, add your seasonings. Salt and pepper are a must. You can also add other spices. Garlic powder and onion powder are good choices. Mix everything together gently. Do not overmix. Alright, let's move on to baking to perfection. Shape the mixture into a loaf and place it in a baking dish. Now bake it for about 1 hour. The internal temperature should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit, so use a meat thermometer to check. Once it's done, let the meatloaf rest for 10 minutes after baking. This allows the juices to redistribute, making the meatloaf even more juicy and flavorful. Now let's talk about serving up comfort. Slice the meatloaf and serve it with your favorite sides. Mashed potatoes and gravy are classic choices, but you can also serve it with green vegetables. Enjoy your delicious homemade meatloaf. It's sure to be a family favorite. It's easy to make and full of flavor. Give it a try tonight.